the nightmare before Christmas. Let's twist the Jack Skellington Balloon Wand. Please welcome in clown action!
Start by pumping up a 260 black balloon. Leave a 12 cm tail at the end. First, start by making a loop twist. In total, you're going to be making 6 of them to make a petal shape. Make sure all the loop twists are the same size and symmetrical. Now onto the final loop twist. Adjust the petals to make sure they're looking nice. The remainder of the balloon should form a wand. Now pump up a 5-inch white balloon and tie a knot. Put the knot of the white balloon in between the petals and wrap it around a few times until it's secure. Now let's add Jack's face. Grab a black marker and start drawing the eyebrows. Then 2 big eyes and fill it in. And 2 little nostrils. And then a big line for the mouth. Fill in the mouth shape. And lastly, don't forget the stitches. And now you're all done.
With Jack Skellington Balloon Wand. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye bye.